You are driving safely in your lane, following the rules. But suddenly, you decide to switch to the right lane. What do you think happened? Sometimes, even if you make no mistakes, you may end up paying the price for someone else's error. And sometimes, there's nothing you can do, even when it's someone else's mistake. When driving, you should always keep a close eye on your surroundings. Even when you do everything right, you don't want to pay the price for someone else's mistakes. A family is trying to cross at a red light, breaking the rules. At this moment, there's nothing that can be done, but sometimes luck is on our side.
So far, you've seen a very normal and safe drive. But what could have happened?
Okay, we're going to like the main
A
street.
crash happens right next to us. What should we do?
Oh shit! Oh, I know you saw.
This is truly an unfortunate accident. Reckless and careless drivers cause such crashes, making innocent people suffer. Here, what we can do is either stop completely or steer the car toward the rear side. In this situation, since the vehicle is coming completely recklessly, we should definitely swerve to the right or left. As I mentioned before, we must always stay alert. A small signal can help prevent a potential accident. Even when everything seems normal, unexpected things can happen at unexpected moments. On the road, we should always maintain a safe, following distance. There are 3 rules to follow on snowy roads. Don't brake suddenly. Avoid driving at high RPMs and proceed at a low speed. In a moment of panic, never leave your lane. Always pay attention to the driver in front of you, but don't blindly follow them. Always maintain a safe following distance. As I've said many times, sometimes bad things can happen even when it's out of your control. Keep driving safely, and don't forget to subscribe and like.